How to create a healthy classroom lighting environment. Good classroom lighting environment can help protect the health of eyesight and reduce the myopia rate of students. Every family and even country should concern about it. Recently in China, the national standard has imposed mandatory demands on the paper for lighting products and teaching multimedia performance. In addition, many countries and departments have published local criteria or group standards for classroom lighting environment. Now, let's take a closer look at the various parameters related to the classroom lighting environment. Illuminance refers to the amount of luminance flux per unit area. The ideal desktop illuminance is about 500 lux. If the desk illuminance is too low, the eyes of the pupils will expand to increase the amount of light. For a long time, the eyes will normally just tense. If the blackboard illuminance is too low or uneven, the eyes of the pupils need to adjust frequently when looking at the blackboard, which is easy to cause eye fatigue. CCT is used to indicate the color of warm and cold light. The lower color temperature and soft light will make people relaxed, and the higher color temperature and the cooler light can easily cause excitement and fatigue. The color temperature for comfortable working and learning environment is generally between 4000 Kelvin and 5000 Kelvin. Color rendering index indicates how naturally the colors of objects appear with the light of a particular light source. The higher the CRI, the more realistic the color of the object is, which is similar to natural light. The CRI is a 4 score of 100. And the color rendering index of ordinary classrooms should be over 80, while the art classroom CRI is higher. All of these parameters can be measured by SPIC-300 Spectral Irradiance Colorimeter. Classroom lighting glare mainly examines visual comfort level. When there is too bright light source in the field of vision, it will produce visual interference, uncomfortable feeling, visual fatigue for a long time. Glare is generally evaluated by uniform glare value. UGR below 19 is generally required for classroom lighting, and higher requirement is below 16. LGM-200B lighting glare measurement system can be used for glare evaluation. Flicker refers to the phenomenon of light fluctuation with time, including direct visible flicker and stroboscopic effect when relative movement is required, which is characterized by PST, SVM, and stroboscopic percentage. Flicker can easily distract students' attention, reduce learning efficiency, and may cause visual fatigue, migraine, headache, and other symptoms. We found that the lamps qualified in the laboratory may not be qualified when tested on site because the electric supply is not ideal. If there is a timing system, it will increase the risk of disqualification. For flicker measurement, LFA-3000 Light Flickering Analyzer is recommended. Blue light hazard is the irreversible photochemical damage to the retina caused by 300 to 700 nanometer light radiation when the luminance of the light source is particularly high. In China, the blue light hazard level of classroom lighting products must be controlled in RG0. SRS-200A Spectral Irradiance Safety Test System can be used for blue light hazard measurement. In order to vividly show the different performance of classroom lighting, let's look at the comparison data after renovation. Through the comparison, we can see that the classroom lighting environment has been significantly improved and meet the national standards. It makes a better lighting environment. Based on the consideration parameters of the classroom lighting environment, Everfine SPIC-300, LGM-200B, LFA-3000, and SRS-200A are recommended. Please kindly contact with Everfine for more information.